Hey guys, welcome back to another custom ROM review for OnePlus 5T. This time we have Driftfest ROM based on Android 15 and I have been using this ROM about a week now. It is working well but there are issues. So about phone, and as you can see here, Android version is 15. Driftfest version is 15.1, community is stable, but it is an unofficial version. Security patch level is from 5th February 2025. That's what you are getting. And the UI is pretty much similar to all other Android 15 based ROM, nothing new here. The control center, as you can see here, pretty much similar. In terms of network connectivity, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi working well. Hotspot has some issue, like if I turn it on, sometimes it doesn't turn on. And sometimes if I turn it on, even I cannot find it. As you can see here, I turned it off, but it didn't turn off. So there are issues with hotspot. And Bow LTE and Bow Wi-Fi also not working. I don't really know what's going on with Bow LTE and Bow Wi-Fi. I could not find any ROM which has like Bow LTE and Bow Wi-Fi working. And I did install Magisk tool to fix the issue, but it's still not working actually. So as you can see, I have few modules as you can see here. Play integrity fix, Bow LTE and Bow Wi-Fi calling enabler. It's still no luck actually. So I will come to them later on. And other things like in the display setting, we do get few things like adaptive brightness is working well. And here we do get double tap to work and double tap to sleep. All these things are working well. No issue as you can see here. No issue at all. And in the wallpaper and style section, as you can see, we can change the clock as usual. And the clock color, we can change it. In the change wallpaper option, we do get few defaults wallpapers as you can see here. That looks good. And here we do get few customization option like icon pack and font pack. In the more lock screen option, we do get few things here, and also we do get always on when charging, and also you can like ambient display for always on, so you can turn it always on. And as you can see here, audio is there and it looks good actually. The clock is similar to the clock we set on the lock screen, so that's good. Usually we find that they change it to the another one, but here as you can see here, looks good and the animations also good. As for now, turning it off, and we also get few things here as you can see. Sound and vibration working well, no issue at all. As you can see here, we do get smart pause media option, and we do get PARAP volume control. Notification is pretty much similar as you can see here, nothing new here. Accessibility option is there and all the typical options you will find here. And also if you want to remove all the animation, you can turn it off from there. In the security and privacy, we do get both face and fingerprint unlock, and working well actually. I haven't faced any issue regarding them. So as you can see here, quite fast, no issue at all. And as an Android 15 based ROM, we do get private space. And in the more security and privacy option, we do get few options here as you can see here, like app content, auto reboot, restrict USB, and few other things, extended unlock, theft protection, and these things. Location is working well, no issue at all. And few other things here. In the app section, as you can see here, we do get app lock here, game space, assistant, and sidebar options, so you can turn it on from here. And if I select few application here, we can see them now. As you can see here, sidebar is working well. Battery, in terms of battery, it is doing pretty well, and I haven't faced any kind of drain issue or anything like that. Quite good battery backup. But one thing I have found which is pretty weird, like if battery drained fully and if your device shut off and if you connect it, it will not show you the charging percentage. You have to turn it on to see the percentage. I don't really know what's going on. Like offline charging is kind of not showing here, but it does charge when it is turned off, but it will not show you how much it is charging. Even if you press the power button, you have to directly turn it on to see the percentage. The storage, so by default it will take 15 GB of storage, and I did install application here like games and other things. In the system setting, we do get few customization option. Navigation button, as you can see here, gesture option is already turned on. In the buttons option, we get taskbar option. If you want to turn it on, you can enable it, and few other things here. In the status bar option, we get all sorts of customization like quick pull down, status bar, lyrics, system icon, clock position, and battery indicator, and all these things. Nothing much here. In terms of customization, we are not getting a lot here, but most of the basic customization are available. And we do get OnePlus setting, as you can see here, FPS overlay, vibration strength, these things. And also we can customize our silent button. We can choose top position, middle position, and bottom position up to our liking. That's good. And that's all what we are getting, actually nothing much here. In terms of application, this is a GF's build. So we do get few Google application here. So in terms of camera, we are getting this camera application, which is working well, no issue at all. Like you can record video and everything seems to be working fine, no issue at all. And I did install Gcam here, and Gcam is kind of working, kind of not working situation. As you can see here, it is struggling, but sometimes it does work perfectly fine. Maybe a different version of Gcam will work perfectly fine, but maybe the ROM has some issue. And in terms of phone call, as I said, Bow LTE, Bow Wi-Fi not working, but call recording is working. So as you can see here, I did record call and call recording is working perfectly fine, no issue with that. In terms of Google Photos, so unlimited storage is not available, which is kind of surprising for a custom ROM to not to have. And in terms of Magic Editor is also not working well here. So if I try edit circle and it crashed the app, so Magic Editor is also not working. And in terms of safety net, so safety net is also not available in the setting about. As you can see here, device is not certified, so bank apps not going to work. Even ChatGPT also not going to work here, which is actually one of the biggest downside for me, because I do use ChatGPT a lot. And because of that, actually I did try to fix the safety net issue. So I did install Magisk, as you can see here, and also I did install few modules here to fix the issue, like Play Integrity Fix, but didn't work actually. I don't really know what's going on, but it didn't work. And other features, like we do get Circle to Search, which is working well. That's good actually. Circle to Search is working and pretty fast actually. No issue at all. As you can see here, Circle to Search is working. And we do get a music player here, which is Accord. As you can see, it's a good music player actually. I did try that before in another custom ROM. WhatsApp is working well, no issue at all. And in terms of gaming, the gaming performance is kind of hit or miss. Sometimes it does work well, sometimes doesn't. I did find some mistouch when I was playing game, like multi-touch is not working well on this ROM for some reason. So for gaming also, this is not really that good ROM. But if we check other things like the UI is pretty smooth, animations are good, RAM management is good, and it is working well. Although we do get few bugs here, like offline charging is not working, safety net is not working, hotspot is broken, no Google Photos unlimited storage, no safety net. So a lot of issues actually, but the ROM is working well. Obviously, you should not go with this ROM. There are better ROMs available. But still, if anyone wants to try this ROM, I will put the ROM link in the description below. And that's all about Driftless ROM for OnePlus 5T. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.